Hello, number twos. You are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and I am your astrologer, tarot reader, and numerologist Himali Narsin, bringing you some news from the world of stars. Let's quickly look at how will 2021 be for you, followed by the weekly prediction from the 1st to the 7th of January 2021. The year 2021 sums up to number 5. Number 5 is ruled by Mercury, who is also the ruler for Geminis and Virgos. If you are a Gemini and Virgo, this is going to be a fantabulous year for you. Also, if you are, there are 5 number year, which is 32nd, 23rd, or anything that sums up to 5, this year is going to be a landmark year for you. Number twos are the people who are born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th, and 29th of any month. Also, those who are ruled by moon, who are Cancerians. So, if you are a Cancerian, if you are born on the 2nd, this prediction is for you. 2nd, 11th, 20th, and 29th, all the 4 numbers, this prediction is for you. So let's quickly look at how will the year 2021 be for you. This is the year where you're going to be very, very dreamy. You're going to be very you could be in a mode where you think a lot, you imagine a lot, and if you use that imagination to your power, this imagination is going to take you to places. If you are a writer, author, this year is something that will this year is a year you will not forget for the rest of your life. If you have been doing a lot of imagination work, this is the time, this is the year where you put it all in words and books and let the world read it. For finances, I would suggest that you do not blindly put your money on anything that others suggest, and do your own thorough research on any place, anything that you have to invest money on, be it properties, be it real estate, be it stock markets, anywhere you put your hard-earned money, you have to make an informed decision, and you will likely gain out of it in the year 2022, because 2021 for you is the year of sowing your seeds, and 2022 is the year of reaping the benefits of it. Let's quickly look at your weekly predictions now. We will keep telling you tips and tricks of how to navigate through 2021, but after the weekly prediction. So for your weekly prediction, I've got 2 of Swords followed by 2 of Swords. So this is a crazy start for you. There are 2 equally strong forces pulling you apart in 2 different directions. This could be work and love. This could be options between 2 love parties. This could be very strongly, this could be 2 work options for you, number twos, and you've been extremely confused what to do, what not to do. I would suggest that you write down both the options, put down the pros and cons, and then evaluate your road further to this journey. I also see some of you could be leaving your current jobs and going back to your previous jobs. Number twos, you are going to be very unstable mentally when it comes to making decisions and choices in this year. So I would like to tell you, and I would like to inform you, that you have to be a little more strong mentally. You need to have a stronger determination in terms of making choices, making your own point of view, because this is the year of number 5, Mercury, Gemini. If you've seen the sign of Gemini, it's 2 people. If you've seen the sign of Virgo, it's 2. It's a weighing balance. So you will always have a little difficulty making choices this year, sorry. And I think you should always consult someone who you think has had a wiser state of mind in your life. So whatever choices that you have, be very, very careful of what you need to do, because it could either backfire or it could work out in your favor. On your love front, we've got 3 of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles. So 3 of Pentacles here indicates that you could be speaking to a lot of people in terms of your love life, in terms of how you want to take things further, how you don't want things to be done. If you are married, you may also be looking at a counsel You may be seeking a a counselor, a relationship counselor, a marriage counselor. Um, this could be in regards to money, this could be in regards to happiness. Maybe if you've been facing troubles in your relationships, I see a very very high chances of reconciliation. If you've separated from someone in the last year, I see again a very high chances of reconciliation. The other person may be looking at money, happiness, security, and you may be wanting to give the same to them, but again I see a lot of thinking and contemplation here. So number 2 is, this week I see you thinking a lot about things. Do you want to reconcile with someone? Do you not want to reconcile with someone? Again, this is the number 5. It's a year of balance. It's a year of being very very diplomatic. So I think you will have to be extremely diplomatic, not call a spade, not be emotionally overwhelmed for your responses. Be very very diplomatic and make very informed statements if you want your relationships and your general life to thrive. Looking at your work front, you've got 6 of Cups and 10 of Swords. So 6 of Cups and 10 of Swords here are indicating that you may be able to get back to a former employer. You may be able to end ties with someone you've been really sick and tired of working with. You may want to start afresh. You may want to start a partnership for which you will be ending a relation, you will be ending a situation, you will be ending a job offer. Something will happen and you may just get back to your previous employer. You may get back to your previous roots. If you have started something new and you feel that okay, this is not something that's working out, you may go back to your previous route of work. Looking at some of the advices we have for you, the one from Romance Angels is reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Also quite evident with 10 of Swords, 6 of Cups and 3 of Pentacles, 2 of Swords. Everything is pulling you in 2 different directions. You are contemplating, should you move further, should you go back, and this has been the major story of your life. The lucky color for you is rose. Attract a relationship, number 6. Keep using this color, although this color is not very lucky for a lot of people, but for you this color will definitely work out this week. Also, let's pull an advice from you from Archangel Gabriel deck. Listen to your vulnerable feelings as they contain wisdom and inspiration, and then pray for strength to focus on your priorities no matter what. So this is something that you need to do. The crystals that you should keep with you throughout this year is the moonstone and the fluorite. If you do not have these crystals, please reach out to Ruhani Guidance. Also, for your relationships, I would advise you to burn the couple candle. We give a special anointed couple candle depending on what is your relationship status. I would advise you to get hold of these and burn them for a few weeks and see how your relationships progress. So number 2 is, until I do the next reading, please stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.